Hi, I'm Terry Soul, and this is Programming Chaos. In this channel, I tackle interesting programming projects, things like fractal snowflakes, procedurally generated creatures, and fireworks. Projects that also demonstrate important programming concepts like arrays, recursion, and classes. So hopefully you'll learn some useful programming tricks and techniques while also creating interesting projects. If you like what you see, I encourage you to subscribe. I try to post new videos every 2 or 3 weeks. And if there's a particular project you would like me to tackle, please share it in the comments below. Thank you.